You're most welcome to the NGICT Center, and in today's video we shall still continue with our second video lesson on Microsoft Excel Pro, and we shall continue from where we had stopped in our first video lesson 1. And today we are going to be looking at how we can get total marks within a short period of time. So we would say it is equal to B2 plus C2 plus D2. When you press enter, it gives you 122. That when you autofill, it gives you the rest of the answers. However, you can still get this without doing that by saying it is equal to SUM. You initiate the curved brackets, highlight all these values from B2 to D2, and then press enter. Still you would get 122. However, that one also takes you through a long way. What we do is you simply come and highlight these values like this, and then press Alt plus equals. You will get the rest of the answers from the first answer to the rest of the answers within a very short period of time without you bothering yourself. Just press Ctrl S to save changes, and then the answer is already got. Please, if you find these videos important, share, like, and comment, but don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. You're most welcome to the NGICT Center again.